This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick design on wall. First, ensure your wall is clean and free of any obstructions. If the wall is painted, lightly sand the entire surface with 80 grit sandpaper to help the adhesive bond properly. Next, remove any baseboards or trim that are less than 1/2 inch thick. Then, carefully plan your brick layout by marking horizontal guidelines on the wall. This step is crucial for maintaining straight, even rows. Finally, lay down protective coverings on your floor to prepare for the work ahead. Now, let's get to applying the bricks. First, mix your mortar according to the package instructions, aiming for a consistency similar to thick pancake batter. Apply a consistent layer of adhesive or mortar, about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch thick, to a small section of the wall. Start laying your bricks from a corner, working your way across. Remember to use spacers, typically 3/8 to 1/2 inch, between each brick to create uniform mortar joints. Cut bricks as necessary, with a wet saw or angle grinder for perfect placement. Once your bricks are in place, it's time to shape the mortar joints. Use a grout bag to fill the spaces between your bricks, ensuring the mortar is packed tightly to avoid voids. Let the mortar set for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until it reaches a firm, crumbly consistency. Then, use a concave jointer tool to smooth and compact the joints, starting with the vertical ones and then moving to the horizontal. Finally, gently brush away any excess mortar from the brick faces for a clean appearance. After the hard work, proper curing and protection are essential. Mortar usually feels dry to the touch within 48 hours, but it needs about 28 days to achieve its full strength. During this time, protect your new brickwork from harsh elements. For added durability and moisture resistance, consider applying a masonry sealant. Ensure the wall is completely clean and dry before application. Apply 2 thin, even coats of a penetrating sealer with a roller, allowing at least 4 hours of drying time between each coat for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.